Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at the new Toyota Tacoma 4x4 double cab TRD Off Road short box. This is a 5-passenger pickup truck in magnetic gray, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5 liter V6 driving on 16-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Tacoma includes fog lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, and a proximity smart key system. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, this Tacoma does have a proximity smart key system, so if you have your key fob in your pocket, you can press these two buttons on the door handle to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it, it's as easy as putting your hand inside the door handle. Now if we take a look inside, right up top, you have your power windows, locks, and power adjustable side mirrors. You have a little bit of storage space on the bottom of the door there. This Tacoma comes equipped with black fabric seats. On the bottom, you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. Tacoma is a push to start, so we're going to push the brake in and press the engine start button right behind the steering wheel there. As always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now, on the left side, you have your audio controls as well as your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right side, you have this cluster up top, which allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Back on the steering wheel, right on the bottom, you have your Toyota safety sense with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert. You have your cruise control speed settings right behind the steering wheel there. Moving on to our entertainment display, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it'll display any audio that's playing on any device that's connected, and on the right side, you have your navigation map. You can also press the screen, this is a touch screen, and in this map screen, you can set your destination. Now, if we go into menu, you have this projection icon on the bottom left corner that is for your Apple CarPlay. Now, going into audio, you see your standard AM and FM options. You can also connect your phone through Bluetooth, like I mentioned. Now, going into reverse, there's that backup camera for you. Moving down below is our climate control system. It is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. You also have your driver and passenger heated seats up top. Next to the climate selector here, you have your heated mirrors, drivetrain selector, and also there's that engine start button. And right on the bottom here, you have your rear window, which opens the window right in the back. You also have your USB, and this is where you'll also find your 12-volt outlet. Inside the back here, we have some storage on the bottom, just like the driver's side. Of course, we're continuing with the black fabric seating. Move closer inside here, behind the passenger seat, there's an extra storage compartment. The rear passengers have their own cup holders right behind the center console. And the bottom half of these seats do come up. All we gotta do is just lift those upwards. You have these little storage compartments underneath the seats. Of course, you do have this under both sides. And if you ever need that extra bit of storage, there's a little compartment behind the back as well. Now, to access the cargo, there's a little handle here in the back, right next to the backup camera. Just giving that a pull, that'll drop down nice and easy. You see, you have plenty of storage space in the back here. You also get a black bed liner. If we take a closer look on the right side, you have a little storage compartment down below, as well as a power outlet. Taking a last look at our Toyota Tacoma, once again, some of those great interior features includes your navigation, driver and passenger heated seats, and Apple CarPlay. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. You can watch this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.